Your product is about to launch. You've spent months building it. But here's the truth. If you don't have a great teaser video, nobody is going to care. The best product launches in history, Apple, Tesla, Notion, all had one thing in common: a teaser that created so much hype, people were signing up before the product even existed. Until now, creating that kind of video cost around $10,000 and took a full production team. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic product launch teaser in under 5 minutes using ngram.com. Let's dive in. First, go to ngram.com and log in. Click Videos and select Product Launch. Keep your duration short. 30 seconds is perfect for a teaser. Select your platform. Now, in the topic or URL field, paste a prompt focused on hype and urgency, not features. Mention your launch timeline, your target audience, and the 2 to 3 biggest benefits of your product. Upload a product screenshot if you have one for better visuals. Choose an art style. Teasers should feel cinematic and exciting. Select your audience and click Next. Continue through the art direction and asset screens. Add your brand details. Now, watch Ngram write your entire launch script in seconds. Review it, then hit Generate Video. The AI builds your storyboard, generates every scene with motion and energy, and stitches the final teaser together. You can review the video that has been generated and edit if required. Once done, add captions, preview it, and download. Your product launch teaser is ready, in minutes, not weeks. Your product launch deserves a great teaser. Don't show up empty-handed on launch day. Sign up for free at ngram.com. The link is in the description below. And if this was helpful, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.